For start, this video appears to be showing a Ukrainian BTR receiving a missile hit from a Russian ATGM. The vehicle turns around and leaves.
Да, ветер целый, бля. Давай, братка, ебани, бля. Братик, заснял!
Separate Special Purpose Battalion Wildfield from the 67th Brigade ran into a Wagner hideout and got engaged in close combat.
Звук прикольный. Физрук приплой.
Meanwhile in Russia, high-tech, no analogies. The funny drone, transport aviation multifunctional platform is undergoing the final stage of ground tests. Capable of transferring up to 250 kilograms of cargo over a distance of over 600 kilometers. For what? For whom? Fall apart?
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.